Hi everyone, welcome to A Plus Calculus, and this is the series DESMOS is God. Wait a second, I just want to write it. DESMOS is God, and in this lecture we will be seeing the question types in which we have to find out the minimum or maximum value or the vertex of a parabola. So if you see number 1, it says that the given equation relates the variables x and y. For what value of x does the value of y reach its minimum? Okay, so this one is obviously a quadratic equation. Y is equal to x square minus 14x plus 22. If you will plot it on DESMOS, you will get a parabola, which will be an upward opening parabola. It will be like this, and for an upward opening parabola we have the minimum value, which is given by the y coordinate of the vertex. See, this is the vertex. Let's say its coordinates are x comma y, right? So its minimum value is given by the y coordinate, but in the question it is asking that for what value of x does the value of y reach its minimum. So here they are asking for the x coordinate. This x coordinate is that value at which the y will become minimum. Okay, so first we will see how we can do this question on DESMOS, and then, as I always say, you should also know how to do every question manually. Okay, so first, to do it using DESMOS, just go and plot it on DESMOS. So we have y is equal to x square minus 14x plus 22. So you can see that this is a parabola and its vertex is this point. So the vertex is 7 comma negative 27. The minimum value is negative 27, and when x is 7, then you will get the minimum value. So the answer to this question, it is 7. Okay, when x is equal to 7, then y will become negative 27, which will be the minimum value of this function. Okay, now you should also know how to do a question without using DESMOS. Okay, so if you remember from the previous lectures, you can actually find out the vertex by using a simple formula, which was negative b over 2a. This gives you the x coordinate, and then when you put it in the function, then this is your y coordinate. See, this is the y coordinate, which will be the minimum value, and this will be the x coordinate, which is what we have to find out, right? This is going to be the x coordinate. Okay, so now all you have to do is just figure out the values of b and a. So your x coordinate is given by negative b over 2a. See, this a is 1, b is negative 14, and c is 22. You don't need c, you just need b and a. So negative of negative 14 will be positive 14 over 2 times 1, and that's just 7. Alright, next question is a similar type of question. It says that the given equation defines the function f. For what value of x does f of x reach its minimum? Again, this is an upward opening parabola, and again we have to find out that for what value of x does fx reach its minimum, right? So again we have to find out the x coordinate of the vertex, x coordinate of the vertex. So first we will do it on DESMOS. So just go on DESMOS and plot this equation. So 4x square minus 50x 4x square minus 50x plus 126. Okay, that's your function, and its vertex is this point, which is 6.25. That's the x value, and this is the minimum value, negative 30.25. So your answer is going to be 6.25 because it says that for what value of x, right? So you have to take this value, which is going to be 6.25. Now let's also quickly do it manually. Okay, so we have negative b over 2a. B is negative 50, so this becomes positive 50 over 2 times a. A is 4, so 2 times 4. So this is 25 over 4, which will be 4 times 6 is 24 and 0.25. Right, so this is how you can do it manually. Let's see the next question. This one is slightly different. It says that f of x is this. The function g is defined by gx is equal to f of x plus 5. For what value of x does gx reach its minimum? Okay, so first let's do it on DESMOS. Now this question is slightly different, but it's not that difficult. All you have to do is first we will plot this function, okay? And then you just have to simply type another function gx, and you'll get two graphs, okay? You'll get one graph for this function and you'll get another graph for this function, okay? And you have to find out the x coordinate of the vertex of the second function. Okay, so let's do this. So our f of x is equal to 4x square plus 64x plus 262. See, so you have this is the graph of f of x. Now you don't want the vertex of this graph. See, they have also given you one of the options as negative 8, right? Negative 8 is also, but if you select negative 8, that will be wrong because negative 8 is the x value for this function. Okay, okay, now you have to find out the x value of the coordinate of gx. So you can simply just write g of x equals f of x plus 5. See, now you get the other function, and this is negative 13. Okay, so you want to find out that for what value of x does gx reach its minimum. So it's going to be negative 13. Also, you could have also done this question without plotting the graph of this function, because once you know that the x value of this function is negative 8, and for gx, now if you look at gx, in gx there is a translation that's going on. This is a translation. This translation, if you know translation of functions, then this translation will shift the graph of f of x left by 5 units. Okay, so all you have to do is just do minus 5, because every point will shift towards left by 5 units, and you'll have your answer. Okay, so that will be negative 13. And if you want to do it manually, like without using DESMOS at all, then you can still do it. So you just have to find out the vertex of this graph, which will be again negative b over 2a. So negative 64 over 2 times 4, right? So this goes 16 times and this goes 8 times, so this is negative 8. And then since it is translated 5 units towards left, so you do minus 5 and you get negative 13 as your answer. So negative 13 is correct.